I tear your peg off?
No. Yeah, you did.
It ripped my boot wide open, dude.
Are you gonna be alright?
I don't know if my foot's okay. Yeah. Son of a bitch! Fuck!
Oh, I was too, dude. I just seen it. It was like, oh my god, I locked it up.
Oh, I'm feeling my foot now. Oh man. Yeah, we need to get back, dude.
Alright, you can back up to neutral. You want me to start it for you?
Oh, might need to. Motherfucker. Jesus Christ.